Hi, my name is Martin Mayer and I'm talking to George, who has just completed his oral prep workshop. George has already finished the 4 modules that he needed in order to qualify for the oral prep workshop, and we're going to discuss it with him now. So George, first of all, thank you for being interviewed, and could I ask, how did you find the oral prep workshop?
Hey Martin, no worries, happy to be here. I think the workshop went very well, to be honest. As with all your courses, it was very, very easy to follow. The course itself covers off all of the necessary angles, from what to expect on the day to a review of the syllabus and some sample questions, which I think will be an invaluable tool when it comes to the day.
Yeah, okay. So do you feel it's given you everything you need for the to prepare for the exam?
Yeah, I would literally say you've not left a stone unturned. I'm clear in my head as to how all of these parts fit together. And, I just need to go away now and go over everything, ensure that it's solidified in my brain. And can't wait to get in there and get going.
Fabulous, that sounds great. So in terms of the kind of the 4 modules and the package, you've obviously done them all now. So how do you feel the package kind of has delivered, if you like, overall?
The overall package has been great. I've genuinely thoroughly enjoyed being on this journey with yourself and Amatis. As I say, in terms of content, all very, very easy to follow. You've got some great examples along the way that really bring the theory to life. And then the knowledge is tested through your case studies and your mock exams. This is all at a great price. And with you, somebody who has been there and done it as far as business analyst is concerned, and who truly wants to help other people and help springboard their careers. So it's been fantastic.
Oh, that's really kind. Thanks, George. Kind of means a lot, actually. So 2 questions I've got left for you now then. So what went well, which is always good, and of course the feedback side of things. What didn't go so well, what could we improve?
So in terms of what went well, I've passed all of the exams first time of asking, so you're definitely doing something right. Just to reiterate, really, the layout of the courses, it's very easy to jump in and out of topics and navigate through the search bar. If you need to go over anything a couple more times, it's easy to pick and choose the courses and the content. On top of that, your app is amazing. It's meant that I've been able to learn on the move, whether I'm sitting on the bus or the train. And of course, a byproduct of that is that you're doing your bit for the planet. And it also means that you can easily update the content for everyone. And given that continuous improvement, I know is important to you, you can use that to your advantage to give students the best possible experience.
Yeah, absolutely we can. Okay, fab. I was going to ask you, what would you say if you recommended us to a friend or a colleague, but I think you've already done it. So, yeah.
Well, to go back to where you could improve, genuinely, that is a tough one. Perhaps an extra exam paper in each course. Whilst the existing ones were useful without a doubt, the fact that the questions were reordered and not necessarily changed meant that there could be an element of remembering the answers.
Okay.
But other than that, in conclusion, I would have absolutely no hesitation in recommending yourself or Amatis to anybody out there that is trying to achieve BCS certification within business analysis, for sure.
George, that's fabulous. Thank you very much indeed. All it needs for me to say now is have a fabulous weekend. Thanks very much, and we'll look forward to seeing you on social media.
Absolute pleasure. You take care, Martin. Speak to you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.